How to add a door sensor on the TruckX Fleet app. Find and tap on the TruckX Fleet app on your device. Please download the app, if not already done. Click on the plus icon to access the available options. Select Add Device to initiate the device addition process. Choose Door Sensor from the list of devices. Click Next to proceed. You can scan the QR code on the device to add the MAC number of the device. Select Scan QR code and click Next. Grant camera permission to the app if prompted. Scan the QR code on the device to automatically capture the MAC number. Once the ID is captured, click on Add Device and add other details including the device name. Once the device is added, you can proceed to physically install the device on the vehicle.